Hey guys, in this video, let's explore the differences between without using Vivo Telephoto Extender Kit. So I have been experiencing this Vivo Telephoto Extender Kit for a few months using the Vivo X200 Ultra model. Well guys, now this is the photo sample without Telephoto Extender Kit. So now it's a 85 sample. Then there is a 170 and 230 it's a 10x, 460 1150 it's a 50x. In both the 20x and 50x, you can easily able to see it's a more AI processed image. Like you can see the texture of the hair. Here is the telephoto extender kit sample. Its base focal length is 200 It's already 8.7x minimum zoom. But in the photo, it shows a 3.7x. I don't know why it actually shows. And now it's a 800 it's a 33x. Now in this picture, you can easily able to see the face of black monkey. Surely the photo samples are really good compared to the photos taken without telephoto extender kit. Especially see the areas around that hair area and overall the detail level texture on the hair. And also in this black monkey at the right side there is a sun glow is there, and also that the hairs is also very good. You can easily able to see the face area looking good. Overall I feel like it's almost real to the live photos. And of course there is some issue like there is a contrast is less, and I feel like it's slightly overexposed. So like that issues is there, but compared to photo without telephoto extender kit, there is more details in the samples if you taken the shot using the telephoto extender kit. I like to share some more photo samples which I taken using the telephoto extender kit. All these samples are really good. So basically what I feel is that, so if you use the telephoto extender kit, the AI processing is actually slightly reduced, and or at least up to 20x to 30x the AI processing is not that much. So if you go beyond that level like 50x, 100x, 200x, then there is surely a AI processing, and it has a maximum zoom capacity of up to 200x if you use the telephoto extender kit. If you use any bigger subject like a building or architecture, means it actually manage. But if you use any small subject like a dog or a person, then it not works out that much good in the maximum zoom. But in case if you take any subject in shorter distance within 10 steps like that, means then that type of shots are really comes out well with up to 400 800 shot focal length itself enough. So overall these are all the photo samples I taken using this Vivo X200 Ultra with Vivo Telephoto Extender Kit lens kit. So what's your thoughts about this? And I think the pricing is also good for this Vivo Telephoto Extender Kit. It actually priced 18,000. And also if you bought with the bundle along with the X300 Pro Mins, so you will get an additional 4,000 rupees discount.